In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight in Google Slides in just 5 minutes. Whether you're working on a presentation for school, a business meeting, or simply organizing your thoughts, knowing how to effectively highlight text will help make your slides stand out and communicate more clearly. So let's dive in and get started. First up, you need to head over to Google Slides. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Slides by typing in the URL or searching for it via Google. If you haven't already, you will need to sign in to your Google account. This step is essential because Google Slides requires an account to create or edit presentations. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here you have a couple of options. You can either start fresh by clicking on the blank presentation option, or choose a ready-made template if you want some design help to get started quickly. Both options will take you into the slide editor where you can start crafting your presentation. Now that you're in the slide editor, it's time to focus on the content. Select the text or image you wish to highlight. Simply click and drag your cursor to cover the desired text, or click on an image to select it. Highlighting not only draws attention to important information, but also enhances your slide's visual appeal. The next step is to locate the highlight color option. In the toolbar at the top of your screen, right next to the text color icon, you'll see a button that allows you to change the highlight color. Clicking this button opens a drop-down menu with various color options. This offers you the flexibility to choose a color that fits your presentation theme, or to use contrasting colors to make your text really pop. It's a good idea to use colors that have high contrast with your slide background for maximum visibility. Click on the color that best suits your needs, and voila, your selected text or background will be highlighted in the chosen color. You can adjust and experiment with different shades until you find the perfect match for your presentation. This simple yet powerful feature can really transform your slides by making important information stand out, enhancing readability, and helping keep your audience engaged. And there you have it, highlighting text in Google Slides is really that simple. With this skill, your presentations will become more effective at conveying information and captivating your audience. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials. Happy highlighting, and see you in the next video.